Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yes, sir. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Rajvika Mataji. Puja Mataji. Abhay Prabhuji. Harshita Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes, sir. Let me share the link to all. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. So let's start the chanting today. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. जयो श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Shri Krishna Chaitanya
So Hare Krishna everyone, Hare Krishna Shiv Prabhu, Abhay Prabhuji, Puja Mataji, Hare Krishna, welcome you all and happy Gita Jayanti and also happy Ekadashi. I hope you all could do a little bit of fasting today or all day you are fasted. Hare Krishna, Riya Mataji, Hare Krishna. So we can share your experience immediately after we finish the class. How are you feeling after doing Ekadashi? Hare Krishna, Ashish Prabhu. Yes, without delaying, let's start today's class. Please raise your hands. Today is Ekadashi. On the Ekadashi day, reciting Bhagavad Gita means you are repeating the words of Lord. It gives you the merits which is not equal to anything. You know, it is 100 times, 1,000 times more. Okay, please try yourself to recite today's shloka. That too, a very important chapter. Very important chapter. So we will start today's class by doing our prayers as always. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurnitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadanitam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavanscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padhan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakan Vitanscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Prashabhanusuते Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhaya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyatya Deshatarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Taking the blessings of my Siksha Guru, His Grace Namanishta Dasa and Shri Shri Radha Govinda for his pleasure, for the Radha and Krishna's pleasure, for both of their pleasure. Let's discuss today's chapter. So today's chapter is chapter number 9 of Bhagavad Gita. So it is about Raja Ghya Yoga, the most confidential knowledge, Raja the king. Ghya, secret, confidential yoga. So we will go to the first shloka. Yes, Shiv Prabhuji. Please raise your hands who wants to recite the
Hare
shloka.
Krishna
Yes.
Mataji, and a very happy Ekadashi and Gita Jayanti to all of you. Okay.
Thank you.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha idam tu te guhatam pravaksha mane shuyave jnana vijnana sahitam yajyatva mokshase shubhata.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So in the shloka number 1 of chapter number 9, Krishna is continuing from chapter number 8. Arjuna had raised several questions asking who is soul, who is Adibhuta, Adidaiva, all these things, right? So Krishna is continuing to give the knowledge for Arjuna. So Krishna is telling here, my dear Arjuna, idam tu te guhyam. So, because you are never envious of me, Anusuyave means you are not, envious of me because Arjuna was Krishna's friend. I shall impart to you this most secret wisdom, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of the material existence. Mokshyase, Huya. Guya means the most secret wisdom. Idam tu te Guya means I'm giving you this secret wisdom. Why? Because you are not envious of me. So why? By getting this knowledge, what will happen? You can be relieved by the miseries of the material existence. So by this you need to understand, if you want to be the devotee of the Lord, if you want to understand Bhagavad Gita, then you should never be envious of Krishna. What is this, Mataji? How can Krishna expect us to love him? Huh? Very simple. If you take your any of your college courses or school subjects, what will happen? If you love that subject, however the teacher is teaching also, you will study well and good marks. You will get good marks, isn't it? If it is your favorite subject, okay, either the teacher of that subject teaches so well that you like the teacher so much, so you like the subject, or you like the subject because it's very interesting and creative to you, you study well, give more interest, right? So if you hate a subject, you hate a course or a subject, for example mathematics, most of them feel little difficult, right? Social science, for me social science is very difficult, I cannot remember the numbers, it's very difficult for me to handle. However, even the best of the best teacher comes to that class, whatever the question paper be easy or whatever it could be, still we are not comfortable with it because we don't like that subject. It's not okay with us. We are not comfortable with that. Similarly, if you have to understand the Bhagavad Gita, then you should love Krishna. You should be interested in Krishna. If you're envious of Krishna, how can you understand? If you're hating something, will you like to see it? Will you like to spend some time with it? Not at all, isn't it? So a person who is never envious to Krishna will surely understand this, the secret wisdom, this knowledge. So by understanding that, we will all be delivered by these miseries of material existence. Yes, Shiv Shankar Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna.
राजा विद्या राजा गुह्यम पवित्रम इदम उत्तमम प्रत्यक्षावगमम धर्म्यम सुसुखम कर्तुम अव्ययम। हरे कृष्ण
Hare.
माता जी।
So Krishna is telling Raja Vidya, Raja Guhyam. This knowledge is king of education. Raja Vidya. In all the Vidya, this what Krishna is going to tell is the Raja, the king of education. The most secrets of all secrets. It's a king of all the secrets. Raja Guhyam. Secret. So the king of all secrets is the secret. That is why it is 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. It is the purest, pavitram, idam uttamam. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. So it is uttamam, idam uttamam. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. Sukham kartum avyayam means this Raja Vidya, what Krishna is going to tell us, you should do it joyfully, happily. And this method, what Krishna is telling, is the perfection of religion, uttamam, and it is purest of all the knowledge, pavitram. Purest of all the knowledge, pavitram. So let's Try to get into this knowledge. Prasiddha Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna.
अश्वदानः पुरुषः धर्मस्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसार वर्त्मनि।
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you so much. So please see this shloka number 3. Krishna is clearly mentioning those who are not faithful. Ashraddha, there is no shraddha, there is no faith on the path of devotional service. Without faith, if you do anything, you will never succeed. Then, without faith, if you do devotional service, how can you attain Krishna? Why? Because in the previous chapter, Krishna has said us, with faith, when we do devotional service, we will all for sure, without any doubt, will attain Krishna. So here Krishna is clearly mentioning those who are not faithful on the path of devotional service cannot attain me, O conqueror of foes, but return to birth and death in this material world. Aprapya mam. We will not get Krishna. Aprapya. Prapti. No prapti. Aprapya. You will not get Krishna. Nivartante mrityu samsara Vartamani. So what will happen? Can you see here? We will be born, we will grow, we'll get aged, we will leave the body again. And you can see there are different species are there. One after the other, we will take the different bodies depending upon a karma phalas. And once you get the human body, and if we do not perform devotional service, again the cycle will repeat. Can you see again we are going to get the animal body. So this is a cycle. So whoever doesn't have faith, even though they know this is devotional service, they cannot perform, means they are being bound to this cycle. Very simple. Krishna is clearly mentioning to us that if you do papa and punya, you will go to heavenly planets, hellish planets, or you stay in the material world. But Krishna clearly mentioned if you do devotional service, there is no fruitive results of your activities. So Krishna mentioned for us 100% for sure you all will come to my place. We saw which is Krishna's place yesterday in the Goloka chart, right? So it's very, very clear. Logically, if you think also, everything is 100% clear. So we will go for the fourth shloka, Sanjeev Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji. Maya
Yeah.
tamam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtina mat satni sarva bhutani na chaham tesh avashtitha.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So you can see in the shloka number 4, Krishna is telling, by me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. So the Lord, as Paramatma, He is in everyone's heart. So we saw yesterday who is Paramatma, right? So Krishna, Krishna is holding everything, isn't it? Like pearls are on the thread. Similar way, we all are held. So Krishna here he is mentioning so much clearly that the entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me. For this, Krishna showed us a very good pastime. You can see here, Krishna, when he ate mud and mother wanted to check, she asked Krishna to open his mouth. When he opened his mouth, Yashoda Maya saw all the entire universe, the Brahmanda, everything. Not just that, she saw the earth, and inside there on the earth, she saw herself with Krishna also on her lap. So we all are inside Krishna. But Krishna is not inside us. If you take Krishna himself as such, he is not completely inside us. We all are inside him. We all are inside him. And yet, everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. So it is like everything is in me, everything doesn't rest in me. It's like you cannot tell, for example, everything is in you, Krishna, then Krishna is born to some definition. Okay, some dimension he has born, you can measure him. But Krishna is immeasurable, you cannot measure him, you cannot understand him. It is so difficult because Krishna has so much for us, like how to tell. A very simple example, if you have a pen drive of 2 GB capacity, you cannot fill the memory by 4 GB data. Very simple. Similarly, our mind is materialistic mind and its capacity is very less. So you cannot understand Krishna, his pastimes, his performance, anything. Everything has a reason. So Krishna is telling, behold my mystic opulence, although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, I am not part of this cosmic manifestation. For myself is the very source of creation. I am the source of creation. I am everywhere, but I am not the part of cosmic manifestation. How beautifully Krishna is telling, understanding this statement is very, very difficult. He's telling I am everywhere. He's telling I am the source of creation. But he is telling I am not part of this cosmic manifestation. That is Krishna. Yes, that is Krishna. Krishna resides in everyone's body, material body, as what? As Paramatma. That is the expansion of Lord Paramatma. So if you want to understand Krishna, the Supreme, then there is 2 stages. First stage is Brahman, second stage is Paramatma, and the final stage is Bhagavan. So Brahman, we soul, we should understand what we are. Then Paramatma, the one who is residing in our heart. And finally Bhagavan, the Krishna himself. How, if you want to understand, means you take the sun, okay? The rays from the sun is equal to Brahman. The outer disk from where the radiation is emitting, that is our Paramatma. And the sun, the planet itself, is Sri Krishna. Okay, so this is the difference between Paramatma and the Krishna himself. Okay, you cannot separate sun from radiation. You cannot separate sun's outer disk by radiation or sun itself. Same way, Krishna, Paramatma, Brahman. Even though they look different, they are not different. Everything is from Krishna, and still Krishna is not there in that. Everywhere Krishna is there, still he is not part of this manifestation. As the mighty wind blowing everywhere, always rest in ethereal space. Know that in the same manner, all beings rest in me. So wherever the air, the wind blows, similar way, everywhere, whatever is there, everything will rest where? In Krishna. In Krishna. So that is the beauty of the knowledge, the super knowledge. What is that super knowledge? The secret of all secrets. Can anyone understand it by simple words? Not at all. Means you cannot even have a doubt. Oh, if this is Krishna, then who is that? So Krishna is not giving us an option to think at all. He is telling, I am everywhere. Everyone is in me. I am not in anyone, but everyone, in everyone's heart, I am as a Paramatma. So where can you tell that Krishna is not there? No option at all. Krishna is everywhere. That is what his explanations mean to us. So in shloka number 8, Krishna is telling, the whole cosmic order is under me. Everything is under me. By my will, it is manifested again and again. By my will, it is manifested again and again, and by my will, it is annihilated at the end. So I showed Mahavishnu yesterday, right? So when he breathes out, all the universe will come out from the pores of his body. When he breathes in, everything annihilates inside his body. So it's by his desire, Krishna's desire, under his order, under his control, everything is created again and again, and everything is destroyed at the end. O Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. So this creation and dissolution. They never bind me. Krishna is free of all those things. When there is creation, at that time also Krishna is there. At the time of annihilation, that time also Krishna is there. He is not affected by anything. I am ever detached from all these material activities, seated as though neutral. So everything is happening around him. He is the one performing, he is the one controlling. But when you see him, it looks like he's simply lying down. He's not doing anything. He is neutral. That is what Krishna is. So in shloka number 10, Rajvika Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mayadya Ksena Prakritihi Suyate Sa
Characharam.
Characharam
Hmm.
Hetunanena Kaunteya Jagat Viparivartate.
Hare Krishna. Your youth Mataji.
Yes,
I
Mataji.
feel cute little kid.
My
Thank
voice is
you.
like that.
Wonderful, wonderful Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes. So this material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction. O son of Kunti, producing Sachara Acharam, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Whatever you see is moving, whatever you see is non-moving, everything is produced by whom? Krishna. Chara, achara. Chara means which moves, achara which doesn't move. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. So everything clearly. Jagat Viparivartate. Everything is done by Krishna. Everything is done by Krishna. So here Krishna is telling us another secret. When we know, when we read Bhagavad Gita, we'll come to know Krishna is the source of everything. Everything is happening according to him. That is why in Brahma Samhita, Brahma does a prayer telling Sarva Karana Karanam. Krishna is the reason for all the reasons. That is what Krishna tells. So why people don't believe him? Here Krishna is giving us the answer. Mega Mataji. Sorry,
Yes,
Meghana Mataji. Yeah.
yes, Hare Krishna Madaji.
Hare.
Avajananti mam mudha manusim tanum ashritam param bhavam ajananto mam bhuta maheshwaram.
Hare Krishna. So the fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the supreme lord of all that be. So the fools will think Krishna is a normal person. He had two hands, he had two legs, he was doing some normal magic. That's all. He is a normal person. Who are the fools? That is how they see when the Lord comes down onto the earth with the human body, human form. So these people, what will happen to them? Ashish Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी
Hey Krishna.
मोक्षा मोहा कर्माणो मोहा जनो वाईश्चाते रक्षसम अशुरुम केवे प्रकृष्टतम मोहिनीम चरिस्तः
Hare
हरे
Krishna. So you can see here in the shloka number 12, Krishna is telling those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demonic, asurim, rakshasim, and atheistic views. In that deluded condition, their hopes for liberation, asa, mogha. So what happens for them? The hope of liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge, whatever the knowledge they have, everything are defeated. That is of no use. That is of no use because they are attracted, they are bewildered. So we came to know in the starting chapters only, Krishna told when the mind gets bewildered, intelligence is lost. When intelligence is lost, we will all fall down. So that is the state of the people who are foolish in nature. But here we'll take the other side. Tranakshi Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
महात्मनस्तुमं तथा दैवं प्रकृतिम् अश्रिता भजन्ति अनन्या मनसो जनत्वा भूतदिम् अव्ययम्।
Hare Krishna Mataji. So the sloka for the people who are not foolish, the opposite of whatever Krishna discussed right now. O son of Pritha, those who are not deluded, the foolish people are bewildered. They have delusion. They have lost intelligence. That is why they are foolish. But on other side, those who are not deluded, the great souls are under the protection of divine nature. So here Krishna is giving us another assurance. What? If we are not deluded, we are doing our devotional service, then the divine will protect us. We have a protection from what? The divine nature. So they are fully engaged. Bhajanti means they are fully engaged in devotional service because they know me as the supreme personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible. So starting only Krishna said, because you're not envious of me, Arjuna, I am telling you. So if you love Krishna, you will be interested to read Bhagavad Gita. When you're interestingly reading Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is going to give us the divine protection. And because we know Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and he's inexhaustible, what will happen? We will be continuously engaged in devotional service without putting any kind of efforts, without putting any kinds of efforts. So what these kind of people will do, these Mahatmas, what they will do, Riya Mataji?
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare
सततं
Krishna.
कीर्तयन्तो माम यतन्तक्ष चाद्रधा व्रता नमस्यन्ता च मां भक्त्या नित्या युक्ता उपस्थति।
Hare Krishna Mataji. So please see the shloka number 14. These people who are engaged in devotional service, what they do, Satatam Kirtayanto Mam. Always chanting Kirtayanto. Satatam, always Kirtana. They will be doing Kirtana of whom? Mam. Glories of Krishna. Endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me. Namasyantas means we are bowing down in front of Krishna. This great soul perpetually worship me with devotion. Mam bhaktya nitya yukta upasate. Upasate means devotional service. Nitya yukta, every time, always. So, a very, very short video.
This is the story of the Hare Krishna people.
Yes. So, this shloka will tell you who are this Hare Krishna people, what are they doing. So, what are we doing in ISKCON? Only this much. Always chanting Krishna's glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before Krishna. We worship Krishna with devotion. That is the duty of all the devotees of Krishna. That is what we do in ISKCON or Hare Krishnas as we have popularly called us. Okay, so this is very important for us. And everyone has to remember this shloka. So yesterday also one of our friend asked us this question, Mataji, we thought Vishnu is Krishna is from Vishnu, but here you are saying Vishnu is from Krishna. So the doubt of all of us is cleared by this shloka. Pitaham asya jagato mata data pitamaha Vedyam pavitram omkara riksama yajur evacha. Pitaham, I am the father, asya jagato, of this universe. Mata, the mother, Dhata, the support, Pitamaha, and the grandside. He is our great, 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 great grandfather. He is, because we are all from him. He is the source of everyone. He is father of everyone. He is the mother of everyone. He is first. After him, we all came. If that is so, Krishna would have said in this shloka, I am son of such and such person. Krishna never tells in entire Bhagavad Gita this information. He is giving the secret of all the knowledge to Arjuna here. So when Krishna is telling, I am the father, I am the grandson, I am the mother of everyone, why you think Krishna will not take some time and tell, I am the son of this person, I am the son of this mother? No, no. So it means very clearly, Krishna is the father of this universe. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and the syllabi Om. I am also the Rik, the Sama, and the Yajur Vedas. So Vedas are from Krishna himself. So in the previous chapter only we saw, in all the Vedic chants we see Om, that Omkara is also Krishna. So he is the object of knowledge. If you want to know everything in this universe, then you should know Krishna, because everything is residing in him. He is the one who is the source of everything. He is creating everything as he wish, and he is annihilating whenever he wants it. So this shloka clearly mentions that Krishna is first. After him, everything. He told in our previous shloka here, Chara, Achara, all living, non-living, everything. He is the source. So there is no doubt that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, as Krishna he himself has declared in this shloka number 17 of chapter number 9. I am the goal. So if you want to achieve anything, then the highest goal you can achieve is attaining Krishna, the sustainer, the master, the witness. He is seeing everything. He is seeing you, what all you're doing. There is one of the very beautiful story in South India. Down in South India, we have Dasar, there are a group of people who are into devotional service. So one of the person will go to the teacher, and the teacher will ask all his students to eat banana. Okay, he gives a banana and tells them to eat it where no one sees them. Okay, so he will give all his students one day. I'll give you one day. You should eat such that no one should see you eating it. So all the students will plan, and they want to eat banana and to get praise from their guru. What they did, some people hid, they went under the mountain, okay, in the caves somewhere they covered them completely and they ate. So different ways they ate the banana, and all came running next day to the guru and said, I ate banana like this, no one saw me. I ate banana like this, so I am the winner, I am the winner. So one of the student came back with the banana. He did not eat banana. So the guru asked, what is this? Why you did not eat banana? I gave you an activity. Why you did not do it? So that student, he said, how can I eat this banana where no one can see me? So the guru asked, don't you think there is any place where on the earth that no one is there? You cannot get a place where you are alone? So the student told, Krishna is in my heart. He is seeing, he is everywhere. He is in the sunlight, he is in the moonlight, he is the taste of water. Yeah, he is everywhere. He is observing me. How can I eat the banana without showing him? He is going to see me. He is going to see me. So you can see here, he is the witness. Krishna himself is telling he is the witness, because everything is made of Krishna, and Krishna, we all reside inside him. So he is the abode, he is the resting place for all of us. He is the refuge. When there is pain, we all take rest in him, refuge in him, and the dearest friend. So many people are scared of Krishna. One of the Mataji asked, no, what to do, Mataji, if Krishna tests me? I am scared, Mataji. I will write the exam. After the result, I will do devotional service. Krishna is telling he is the dearest friend. So we should not worry about Krishna until unless you do something wrong. Huh? If not, Krishna is our friend. I am the creation and the annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place and the eternal seed. For everything, Krishna is the seed. O Arjuna, I give heat and I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and I am also death personified. Life is also Him, immortality is also Him, death is also Him. Both the spirit and matter are in me. So the soul and the materialistic world, that is a matter, everything is in Him. So by this, we need to understand what Krishna is. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. He is the source of everything. He is everything. Very simple. Very simple. So, what are the people doing? What are the people doing? Why we are all in the material world? There is a reason for that. Puja Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Traividya mam somapa putta papa yajnair istva swar gatim parthayante te punyam asadya surendra lokam asnanti divyan divi deva vogan.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much. So you can see in the shloka number 20. Shloka number 20, Krishna is telling, those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, it is called Soma Rasa. So what happens in the Vedas, there are so many rituals and so many activities, spiritual activities which you can perform, and you can gain what? You can get heavenly planets. If you remember, I said about Dhruva Maharaj, he was donating to everyone, isn't it? He got so much of merits that even Yamaraja was not able to count it. He was not able to count it. So much was there. So in the Vedas, they have given all these kind of methods by performing which you can go to heavenly planets. So today's Ekadashi also, when you perform it with love, what will happen? All your forefathers, by chance, if they are caught in the hellish planets, just by you doing Ekadashi, they all will be delivered from hellish planets to heavenly planets. And if you, with lot of love, devotional service you do today, this Ekadashi, what will happen? You all will be liberated and you will go to Vaikunta. So there are two different places. So here, heavenly planets, how the people go, they study Vedas, they perform the rituals or the procedures given in that. Or if they drink a juice called as Soma, they all go to heavenly planets. So by doing this, what they're doing, they're worshipping Krishna only, but here indirectly. Why? Because their desire is to self-satisfy, not to satisfy Krishna. So they're satisfying themselves, Krishna is within them. So indirectly they're satisfying Krishna, not directly. Purified of sinful reaction. So when they do all this kind of procedures prescribed in the Vedas, what will happen? All the sinful reactions will be over. Then what will happen? They have only the punya. So what they do, they take birth on pious heavenly planet of Indra, Devaloka, where Indra is the Devonka, he's the in charge. Okay, he's the head of all the gods there. Where they enjoy godly delights. They enjoy godly delights. Okay, how long they will enjoy? That is very important. Shloka number 21. When they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure and the results of their pious activities are exhausted. Once whatever the punyam you have earned, it's over. The currency is over. No more money to pay for the hotel. Okay, no more money to pay for the hotel. You need to vacate the hotel. Similarly, there is no punya, it's everything exhausted. What you should do? They return to this mortal planet again. So you can see a person goes running down, okay, the plane. Then he has to ride up. So you can see this giant wheel, we all play when we were young. So once you go up, you go to heavenly planets and everything is over, again fall down. So we saw Earth is down, so our heavenly planets are top. Down we have all the hellish planets, Patalas and hellish planets. So what happens? We all will come back to planet again, the mortal planet. Thus, those who seek sense enjoyment by adhering to the principles of three Vedas achieve what? Only repeated birth and death. So if anyone tells do good things and earn punya, then please see you will stay for only some time in the heavenly planets. Once your punya is over, you will come back. So if you want to help someone, please help. No one is telling you not to do good things. You please do it. But what you should do? You should do it for Krishna. That's all. That is the difference. Here you are doing all these things for what? For your self-satisfaction and enjoyment. So here Krishna is telling us in this shloka. I think one more person has raised the hand. Yes, Mohor Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesam nityabhiyuktanam yogakshamam vahamyai aham.
Hare Krishna. So you can see in the shloka Krishna is describing. But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, Ananyas Chintayanto Mam, Ye Janaha Paryupasate. So you are doing devotional service, meditating on Krishna, the transcendental form. Who? The devotees. What will happen? To them, I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. By doing all the rituals, all the fruitative activities, you might get the fruits. They are temporary. But please remember this shloka. Krishna is telling, whoever worships me, devotional service is done to me, and they're meditating on my transcendental form, whatever they don't have, I will give to them. Whatever they have, I will preserve. Then where is the chance for the devotees to desire? Krishna, I want this. Krishna, I want that. Krishna is clearly declaring that Yoga Kshemam Vaham Aham. So Krishna is going to take care of whom? His devotees. Devotees. So whatever you lack, Krishna will carry it for you. Whatever is with you, he will preserve for you. So here we have a beautiful story. I think most of you know. Once what happened, the son of Nanda Maharaj, he was so mischievous and he had killed so many demons that entire Gokula was discussing about this cute little boy Krishna. They were saying Krishna did this, Krishna did that. Krishna is so beautiful, his eyes is like this. He killed that demon, he killed this demon, he stole butter from our house. He was chased by the monkeys, like etc. etc. So entire Gokula was talking about Krishna. So there was a lady who was selling fruits. She was very poor. She used to get the fruits from the forest, and inside the city, she was selling it. So every home when she was visiting, she was hearing about all these glories of Krishna. All are discussing about Krishna, Krishna, Nanda's Lalla, Nanda's Lalla. So what happened? This lady was so much attracted. Someone is telling it is very good, it is very good. If someone tells, hey, in that shop, ice cream is very good. One person said, second person said, third person said. In the TV advertisement also came. What you will do? I will go and try. Whole day you will be thinking, when will I eat it? When will I eat it? I should taste it. They're telling it's so good, it seems. Let me go, let me go. Same condition. That is materialistic attachment. Here, for this lady, she got so attracted to Krishna that she just wanted to see him once. That's all. She just wanted to see him. They are talking about him so much. I just want to see him. So what happens instead of calling out for the fruits, like, there is apple, mango, watermelon, come please take, come please take. She forgot that because she's completely absorbed in seeing Krishna. She started calling different name of Krishnas, which the entire town was addressing. Damodara, Krishna, Madhaveti. Like she started singing Krishna's name and she went inside the town. And when she came to Nanda Maharaj's place, she was eagerly waiting that Krishna is going to come. A person is totally meditating on Krishna and Krishna will not come. How is it possible? When she went to the yard of Nanda Maharaj, the Lord came running to see. So his parents purchased some fruits by giving few grains. So that is the exchange. The business was happening like that. So what happened? Krishna carried so little, few grains. In the tiny little hands, he carried few grains and he gave it. So what will happen if you see a child? You will give one chocolate to one hand, another chocolate to another hand, so that they will not cry. Yeah, but see this lady, what she is doing. She would have given just one mango and another mango for two different hands, kalas. Or no, she filled the entire hands of Krishna such that she was so pleased and it was showing the way she was embracing that situation. What did Krishna give? Just a few grains. What is she giving? Everything what she has. The devotees should be like this. Krishna might give us little only happiness. We might be in pain, too much of pain. He might have given us very little. But whatever we have with us, we should give to Krishna happily. Krishna, it is yours. Please have it. So what happened once she gave? You can see whatever was left over in her basket, everything turned out to be the precious gems, pearls, which you cannot even imagine. So whatever little you have, you offer to Krishna in love. In this shloka, Krishna is telling, I'll carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. So same thing happened with this friend Sudama. Sudama came for help, asking for a help. He was completely shattered by the poverty. So he came to ask his friend Krishna, help me. He could not ask because Krishna washed his feet. He served him so well. He didn't know how can I use this sacred friendship for, something materialistic. He gave little rice, that to dry rice, so little. Krishna could not even achieve it. Such a kind of thing Krishna got, and he gave him whatever he was lacking. That is Krishna. We usually, what happens? Leaders, kings, etc., what they do? They talk. They don't do it. But Krishna is different. Krishna is the Supreme Personality Godhead. Whatever he has done, he speaks same thing in Bhagavad Gita. And whatever he tells in Bhagavad Gita, he is going to perform same thing. These are the just a few examples where we can understand what Krishna has said. What Krishna has said. So please make sure those who are devotees of other gods and who worship them with faith actually worship only me. Why? Because Krishna is the source of everything. He is the father of everyone, mother of everyone. So when you are worshipping someone, you are worshipping Krishna also. But not directly, indirectly. Why we worship all the gods? Because we already know that we have some desire, we go and we please them and we get a boon from them and we enjoy the temporary material things. Okay, O son of Kunti, but they do so in a wrong way. It is wrong way. We are wasting our time, energy for temporary things. Temporary things. Hiranyaksha, Ravana, Hiranyakashipu. These people and all, they did meditation for long. They did tapas for very, very long years. Then they got the Lord in front of them. Then they asked the boon. Then they came down to their palace. Then they fought with all the gods and they lost their life. What did they ask? The non-permanent things. And for that, they wasted their precious life. Same thing if they had done the devotional service, then they would have got the Lord himself, the peace, the real peace, the ultimate peace they would have got. Okay. So here Krishna clearly mentions those who worship the demigods. Yanti Deva Vrata Devan. What will happen? Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship the ghost, Pitra, ghost and spirits, they will take birth among such beings. Those who worship the ancestors, sorry, Pitra means ancestors, what will happen? They all will take birth among those ancestors only. You know, some people will worship their grandfather, their great grandfather, Pitra. Okay. Bhutani means the ghost and spirits. Okay, some people worship ghost in Mangalore side also. They worship the spirits. But whoever worships me will live with me. No doubt at all. Very clearly, Krishna said. You worship the demigods, you will take birth among them. You worship the ghosts and spirits, you will take birth between them. You will be among them everywhere, surrounded with them. If you worship ancestors, you are going to be with your ancestors. Wherever they take birth, you will be with them. But whoever worships Krishna, whoever worships me, you will come to me. Where is Krishna? Krishna is in Goloka Vrindavana. What is the nature of that place? Yesterday Krishna clearly mentioned at the time of creation and annihilation, nothing will happen to that place. It is permanent. And whoever goes to that place will never come back to the material world. So Krishna has given the choice for you only. So this is the favorite shloka I think I gave to everyone. Chance? Yes. This is one of the very important shloka. So how to worship him, Mataji? Krishna is telling, do this. If you do worship to me, you will come to me only. So how to do? Very simple. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadam bhaktya ubhartvam ashnami prayatat manaha. Very simple. Pleasing Krishna is very, very simple. How? If one offers me with love, see the important point, with love and devotion. So two things are very important. What? Love and devotion. A leaf, patram, a flower, pushpam, fruit, phalam, toyam, or water. I will accept it. So what is it? Krishna is giving you the assurance that if you give him even a tiny little leaf, a little amount of flour, a small piece of fruit, nevertheless you don't have anything, just a glass of water, he will accept it when you give it with love and devotion. Love and devotion. So easy. You can please Krishna. Krishna is not asking anything else from you. So easy, so simple. Can't we afford a leaf? Can't we get a fruit? At least a glass of water? We can. And love and affection and the devotion, it's already in us, right? So by this, we can gain Krishna. So whatever. See, there are so many variety of fruits. There are milk products. You can prepare sweets. So many other. You can prepare, this is a khichdi. Whatever, and you can see here a glass of water is there. Anything which you can give, anything. Please offer it to the Lord with love and devotion. That's all. For sure, He is going to accept it. He Himself has declared us. So this shloka is very, very important again. Yes, Shiv Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Yad
Hare
karoshi
Krishna.
yad ashnashi yad juhoshi dadashi yad tapashyashi kaunteya tat kurushva mad arpanam.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. So remember in the previous chapters, I showed you a picture what devotees all do, right? So this is the shloka where Krishna is telling how to perform our activities. Yad karoshi, yad ashnasi, yad juhoshi, dadasi, yad tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurusva mad arpanam. O son of Kunti, all that you do, all that you eat, all that you offer and give away, as well as all austerities that you may perform, tapasyasi, whatever austerities you might do, may perform, should be done as an offering unto me, arpanam. Whatever you do it for Krishna. I already said this, Krishna, you're getting up. Krishna, I'm getting up for you. You're taking bath. Krishna, I'm taking bath for you because I'm cleaning this body to serve you. You're cooking food. Krishna, I'm cooking food for you. You're walking to the college. Krishna, I'm walking for you. You are helping someone, you saw someone on the road and they requested you for help. So you are helping them. Krishna, I am helping you. I'm doing service for you because Krishna is in them. Yeah, everything, whatever you do, all that you do, all that you eat, all that you offer and give away, as well as all the austerities that you may perform, should be done as an offering unto me. That's all. Very simple. This is devotional service. This is devotional service. That is why I said, whatever you do, please do it for Krishna. That is where Krishna mentioned in this shloka number 27 of chapter number 9. Because anyone can do it. Why? I envy no one, nor am I partial to anyone. I am equal to all. We all are his kids. How can Krishna see us differently? For Duryodhana, Krishna gives so much of chance. For Hiranyakashipu, he made his own son to tell the truth. Yeah, for the Ravana also so much chance was given. Krishna is giving his kids so much of chance to come back to the home, his own abode. What is happening? We are not ready to go. So Krishna is not partial. We are partially choosing the material world and we are living Krishna. So Krishna is telling, I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend in me, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. Because a person is not disturbed by the material world, he is not attracted by the material world, but he is controlling his mind, his senses, and pleasing Krishna. Then how can Krishna not love him? How can we not be Krishna's friend? How Krishna cannot be our friend? Right? If you go to any place and you have your friend, and if your friend is not taking care of you, he's not enjoying, happy or crying with you, what will happen? He is simply coming with me, or she is simply coming with me. She's not taking any effort to be with me or help me, isn't it? If a friend doesn't help you, then you will think, oh, he's not a friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. That is what, right? So they are taking extra time, extra effort to be with you. So a devotee of Krishna, even though they are born in the material world with a different materialistic body, they are putting effort to please Krishna. They're loving Krishna. They're serving Krishna. Then how come Krishna cannot love them more? That is what Krishna is telling here. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so this shloka is another important shloka. The next shlokas, Sanjeev Prabhuji.
अपि सेत सुदूर करो भजते मम अन्य भक्त सुधर इव स मंताव्य स्मग्र व्यावसितो हिशः.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna said, who all can understand me. By understanding, how can you render devotional service? By rendering devotional service, I am going to protect whatever is with you. I am going to give whatever is lacking in you. How to worship him? Very simple. He said everything, and he told whoever does devotional service, they are very, very dear to me. Now he is telling another important, oh Mataji, whoever does devotional service, Krishna will love them. Whoever doesn't do devotional service, Krishna will not give them chance. Please see this shloka. Even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in his determination. So you have done all kind of actions, all kind of sinful actions, no problem. Even to this second, if you start your devotional service, then you will be considered as a saintly person because you are properly situated. You are determined for what? For serving Krishna. For sure, if you are determined and you have started the devotional service, you are going to become a devotee. So just take the bag, get prepared, stand. If you stand in the path of devotional service itself, enough. You're the perfect personality, saintly person. So Krishna will give you everything, he'll protect everything. You want to give Krishna very light things, very simple things, stay there on the path. What else Krishna is going to offer us? We will see very important one. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma. Kshipram, he quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. Whoever has committed sinful activities, you cannot even imagine. Even though he starts devotional service, he quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly. Nami bhakta pranashyati. Nami bhakta pranashyati. Declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes. Never perishes. You can see this beautiful picture. Narasimha, the Lord Narasimha, he comes down when a little boy, 5-year boy, tells his dad that my God Narayana is in this pillar. To prove his devotee true, whatever the devotee is telling is true, Lord Narasimha came out from the pillar. We all, what we'll do if some kid says something, we will neglect. Oh, it is a small little kid. But the Lord did not do like that. Even though he's a 5-year small little boy, when he said his father, Narayana is everywhere. So his father Hiranyakashipu asked, is your Narayana in this pillar, in this wall? So whatever Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, same thing. Same thing. What happened? This cute little guy, he said, yes, yes, Papa, he's everywhere. He's everywhere. Because he has said us. He has said in Bhagavad Gita, he is everywhere. So what happened? Lord Narasimha came out of the pillar and everyone were killed. Everyone were killed. Even the people who have not done sinful activities and they were not killed by the Lord, can you see them around? They were scared to go next to Narasimha because he was so angry. They all were scared. But can you see this cute little guy, Prahalad Maharaj, what he is doing is not even afraid. He is going aside, folding his hand, prayer, doing prayers for the Lord. He goes and he sits on the lap of Narasimha. So a devotee is never scared of the Lord because the God is friend to us. We are very dear to him. And Krishna, he declared in this shloka, never ever anything, whatever might happen, anything might be against you. If you're a devotee, God is surely going to protect you. That is what this shloka is declaring. He is telling, Krishna is telling Arjuna, declare it loudly. What else we need more proof than this, that Krishna is going to protect us? Krishna is going to give whatever we require. And after we leave this body, we'll go to him. He's assuring it so many times. Then there is no doubt for us to take up this devotional service. Meghana Mataji, can you recite the shloka?
Yes, Mataji. Mam hi prartha vyapasritya yepi syuha papa yonayah srityo vaisyas tata sudras te piyanti param gatim.
Hare Krishna. So many will be having doubt, oh, devotees are protected. So even if a person is doing all sinful activities, if he performs devotional service, then he is also accepted. So we might have other doubts also. What about other people? So Krishna is answering here again. He already said, for me, everyone is equal. I am equal to everyone. But still, some of us will have doubt. Krishna, what about this group? Krishna, what about that group? So this shloka, Krishna is telling, O son of Pritha, those who take shelter in me, those who take shelter in me, though they be lower birth, they are women, they could be Vaishyas, they could be Shudras, can approach the supreme destination. So everyone is allowed to the Krishna's abode. No restriction at all. If you are a woman, if you are a Vaishya, if you are a Shudra, no restriction at all. It's not that you should be a Brahmana only, you should be a Kshatriya only. No, Krishna is telling everyone is equal. Only thing is what? You need to approach Krishna by doing devotional service. How? You're taking shelter of the Krishna. So Haridas Thakur, I already said he is from the Muslim family, but he became the devotee of Krishna and he gained liberation. So I spoke about him in the last class, right? So you can see same thing Srila Prabhupada did. We think only in India people can worship Krishna, but Srila Prabhupada went to the Western country and see everyone. There is no varna, no differentiation, no woman, no men, some are low, some are high, no. Whoever takes shelters of Krishna, they all will get the supreme abode. All are welcome, no restrictions to anyone. That is what Krishna is clearly mentioning to us in this shloka. That is what we all devotees are doing, same thing. We are preaching this Bhagavad Gita to everyone. No restrictions, everyone. And we are repeating what Krishna is saying so that you all will come with us, or I don't know whether we are fortunate or you are fortunate. You might only go to Goloka Vrindavan first. We might come follow you later on. Don't know what will happen to us, right? But what is happening? All of us are allowed. All of us are allowed. Only thing you need to take the shelter of Krishna. So the last shloka of this chapter today. Manmana bhava mat bhakto madhyajimam namaskuro mame vashyasi yuktvaivam atmanam mat parayanaha. Please remember this. This shloka, if you want me to talk, I can talk more than 1 hour. 1 hour is short only. More than 1 hour we can talk. Such a beautiful shloka. Remember this shloka. Manmana bhava mad bhakto. Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Madhyajimam namaskuru. Offer obeisances and worship me. Mam evashyasi yuktvaivam. Being completely mam evashyasi yuktvaivam. Absorbed in me. Atmanam mat parayanaha. Surely you will come to me. How much more confirmation you want from Krishna? He is giving all the details and with the surety. For sure you will come to me. Yes. So please always think of Krishna. How can you always think of Krishna? When you do everything for Krishna. Krishna, I am doing this for you. Krishna, I am doing that for you. Krishna, I am doing this. I am breathing for you. I am eating for you. I am sleeping for you. You know, every second of your life, every time you are engaged your mind in thinking of Krishna. Early morning, whenever possible, afternoon, evening, you can worship Krishna and completely absorbed in Krishna by chanting, by reading Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, or hearing, or listening to the people, the greatest Shastris, okay, the people who know Krishna, the devotees of Krishna, listening to them. However, your grandfather, your grandmother, whoever knows about Krishna, listening to them, you can be completely absorbed. Then there is no doubt. Surely you will go to Krishna, where? Goloka Vrindavana. So this is the secret of secret, the top secret what Krishna has given to Arjuna, which we all listen today. And if you are an intelligent person and if you want to go where Krishna is telling you can come, then you can follow this path. If not, as Krishna described, you can do good things, go to heavenly planets. You can do bad. No, Badaji, I am not interested. I don't believe in anything. I want anything means I am going to take it. I am going to desire, I am going to enjoy it. So then no problem. There is no issue at all. Wherever you buy the ticket, you go to that place. If you do punya, you go to heavenly planet. If you do papa, you go to hellish planets. It's your choice. You are already buying the ticket. Okay, you are purchasing the ticket by putting money, a currency. How? Papa Punya. Later, eventually, you will reach that place. So, which place you will go, where you will go, how will you go? Krishna has explained so detailedly in this chapter number 9. So, by this, I will end today's class. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Chavi Mataji, thank you so much for attending the class. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes, yes. Any doubts? I don't know. Answer raised. I think it was for shloka chanting. Amazing session. Hare Krishna, Shri Chita Mataji. Thank you so much. I already said, this is my favorite. Why? Because a devotee, whenever they get a doubt, this is a chapter where you can clear your doubt, and you can strongly have your mind on the path of devotional service. You can never deviate. Why? Because Krishna is giving you so much of guarantee. So this is the beauty of Bhagavad Gita and devotional service and Krishna. Yes, Shiv Shankar Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Actually,
Krishna.
what I have observed that most of the times I got self-occupied. I mean, so how to overcome it? I mean, during the last, lockdown and all that, this
Yeah.
phase, sometimes or at time and again, I become self-occupied. So how to overcome it?
Self-occupied like what, Prabhuji? You'll be in your own
Self-occupied
thoughts.
in the self-occupied in the sense, always, thinking or involving in myself like this.
Yes, Prabhuji. This is the common thing we all do. When we are free, when we are idle, our mind will become whose place, Prabhuji? You know that, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So you yourself making that entire
Hmm.
arrangement in your mind, and you welcoming all the demons, okay, and making your
Exactly.
mind your own enemy, right? Yes.
Right.
So okay, what we are doing is very simple. Read Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, you're not understanding, live it. Chant. Chanting also you cannot do, don't worry. Please listen. There are so many YouTube videos. We play so many songs. We will dance. We will see so many movies. Listen to Krishna's pastime. Listen to all the God's pastimes. Listen to them. So what happens? You're listening them. So your soul knows everything. Automatically your mind will be engaged in that. For example, if you love someone, Prabhuji, if you love someone, you would like to know about them more and more, isn't it, Shiv Shankar Prabhuji?
Exactly. We would
Yeah.
explore it more and more.
Yeah, and you never get bored of listening to it, right? And if
Yes.
you hate someone, even someone says he, she, you will get
Hmm.
irritated,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji, like
Ma'am,
that.
one
So,
more thing, Mataji, that yesterday that Golok chart which has been
yeah.
sent, I am trying several times. It's not downloading. It's just it's just rounding and rounding, but it's not opening and it's not downloading. And I eagerly want to go through that chart. So I was just trying it for several times. You have resended it also, but it's not opening. I don't know what's wrong with that PDF.
Is it the space in your mobile? You have a memory space in
No,
your
no, no.
mobile?
There is enough space, and I can download other PDF, but only that specific PDF is not opening. And
Okay,
actually,
Prabhuji, I'll do one thing.
if you
How
can
to do
share the
that?
pictures, I mean, if it is possible, so
Yeah, okay, Prabhuji, I'll do one thing. Or else if you
okay,
just type in Google Goloka chart, you get it. But whatever
okay,
we
okay,
sent was a high resolution one. You
exactly,
could zoom
yes,
it and see in detail.
yes,
Okay, if not,
yes.
you get it in Google as such, Prabhuji. Try if you know, don't get it, let me see as an image format. I will just take a
Okay,
screenshot and
thank you
send
so
to you.
much.
Okay?
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
I'll do. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Yes, Sanjay Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, my
Hare
question
Krishna,
is
Prabhuji.
like, whenever we think for any sort of resolution, just like if I'm thinking for diet, the very same day I got calls from my friends who to have a party or to do whatever the mischievous thing, whatever the resolution I take, just somehow the natures try to pull us down.
Yes,
So
yes.
is it the way Krishna thinks? Like he is our friend, so he knows what kind of trauma we are going through. So what kind of resolution we are taking for that particular thing. So why he is testing us?
Why is testing us?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
What is
simple,
testing?
Prabhuji. So imagine it's your friend's birthday party, okay? You are his best friend, and he has invited everyone to the birthday party, okay? and he is expecting you to come. But here on other side, your mother is forcing you, don't go, I have some work, please help me. Okay, what would you do, Prabhuji? Will you listen to your mother or you will go to your friend?
I will manage.
How will you manage? Where will you go? You go here or there, or you don't go both the way? How will you do?
Okay, so for my I know I'll choose my friend.
I will choose my friend. So what will happen? Your friend
Mother will
be,
shortly get angry.
yeah. But what will your friend feel? My God, even though his mother stopped, my friend Sanjeev came for me. He's my blood friend, close friend. So what is happening here? You coming to the party is not big thing. You're coming for him, keeping everything aside. Even though you had issues, you kept them everything aside and dedicatedly you went to his birthday and celebrated with him. The time you're giving, you're making that opportunity, the time for your friend makes you a special friend. He will always remember that, and he'll always tell, Sanjeev, always he'll come to me. Whenever I have an issue, whatever it is, he will be the first person to come to me. That is how human nature is, right? Similarly, we are attracted by so much things in material world. As you told, your friend is going to call you for the party, but you need to serve to Krishna. So if you avoid all those things, whatever disturbance is around, and still keep yourself at the service of Krishna, then Krishna will surely love you. That is what Krishna said. What is devotees do? They are always engaged in devotional service. Yes, similarly, even if you are a devotee, then you will not be disturbed by the material things. You will be completely engaged in the service of Lord. Same thing happened to Vibhishana. Vibhishana Prabhuji, come, we will go to war. He had all demons only. His brother is demon, sister is demon, his entire kingdom is filled with the demons. He would have thought, all are demons. What will I do by becoming one devotee? What is the use? They are all enjoying. Let me also enjoy with them. If Vibhishana would have thought, if Krishna wanted me to be his devotee, he would have not made me to be born among these demons. Because he has made me born among the demons, I have no choice. I will be demon only. Did Vibhishana do like that? No. Even though the condition was like that, he rendered his service to the Lord. And similarly, whatever service he got, he did. So he was given the same amount of result. He became the king of that entire Lanka. Same with your Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad Maharaj, which I discussed today. His own father poisoned him, thrown him out to kill him. Still, he did not lie to his father. If for us, if my father is going to come and beat, we will tell, Abba, somehow I should get escape from this situation. I should tell, Papa, you are only great. Papa, you did not lie. Mama only lied. We will tell like that, so that we need to escape from the situation. But that 5-year little guy, Prahlad Maharaj, even though his father was so angry and wanted to kill him, still he stood. He did not tell Krishna, no. Why, Krishna, you gave me a demon father? Huh? Why you made him to kill me? Is this the way? Why you are doing it? I don't know. My father will kill, so I am not going to tell you are God. I'll tell my father is only God. Did Prahlad Maharaj do like that? No. That is devotion. That is devotees. Similarly, we are always attracted by material world. Today, one friend is calling. Tomorrow, 4 friends will call. Please balance yourself. Okay, it's not that you need to live everything. Kindly, please balance. You do your devotional service. Think of minimum devotional service. Okay, today I'm going to chant for 10 minutes. Today I'm going to go to temple, or today I'm going to do puja in my home, or today I'm going to prepare a glass of milk for Krishna, or rice and curd I'll give to Krishna. Do that activity. Whatever you will plan, do that activity, and simultaneously occupy your time with your materialistic things. Okay, and whatever you do it for Krishna. Is it okay, Sanjay Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji. Somehow I'm pleasing Krishna. My friend is calling me. So
yeah, take your friend also and please Krishna. That's option, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wonderful, Mataji. Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mohar Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare
So
Krishna.
yesterday you told the story of Ajamila. So at the time of his death, when Yamadutas arrived, he took his youngest son's name like Narayana. So he took the name for remembering his youngest son, not for remembering Krishna. So he did this for his self-satisfaction, not for Krishna's satisfaction.
Yes.
So, why he was accepted by Vishnu Dutas?
Yes, very good question, Mataji. I'm very proud of you. I expected this question yesterday only. I didn't know why they did not ask. So you asked me today. Very, very beautiful question. Mataji, I told one thing to you. Krishna is not different from his names. Govinda, Narayana, Gopala, Damodara. Many, many names are there for him. Rishikesha. Okay, many, many names are there. So the Lord's name, if you just take carelessly, ignorantly only, he is sending Vishnu Dutas. Okay, just because he did not have any desire. Ajamila did not have any desire. He did not wanted anything. He just was worried by the separation. So he took Narayana, the name with love, lot of love, Narayana. Lot of love, Narayana. So today Krishna clearly explained us what whoever worships the demigods, they are indirectly worshipping me only. Right, Mataji? So what does it mean? If you worship them also, you're serving Krishna. But it's in a different way. You will be blessed with materialistic things. So what happened? As soon as Ajamila called Narayana's name, it is not that Ajamila was taken by Vishnu Dutas to Vaikunta. No, it did not happen. Because he took Narayana's name, what happened? He was given a chance to do devotional service. After that, what he did, Ajamila, he left his family. He went to Haridwar. For many, many years, he did devotional service. When he attained the highest devotional service, he went to that situation. What happened? At that time, again Vishnu Dutas came. Then he was taken to Vaikunta. So you can see, just carelessly, unknowingly, who is your Krishna? If you tell Krishna, only enough. That's enough. That much power is there for the name Krishna and all the names of Krishna. Is it okay, Mahar Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So if you take God's name, take it with love only. You are already doing devotional service. Okay. So for us, Yamadutas will not come, Vishnu Dutas only will come. Okay, they will take us in the beautiful aeroplane. Okay, so that which is with all that beautiful golden chariot kind of. Okay, so it's left to you, Mataji. Do you want to see the Yamadutas or Vishnu Dutas, the beautiful one or the very horrifying one? Okay, choose yourself.
Okay, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Riya Mataji. Mataji, if Krishna is our friend, then he will not test us, right? If you are his friend, you should prove that you are his best friend, no? So testing is very important, no? Right? Today you will come to Krishna, you will do all service to Krishna. You expected something. Imagine you thought you were doing service to Krishna, you will get a car. Just imagine. You thought, because I'm doing all service to Krishna, I'm doing all work to Krishna, for sure that car is going to be mine. Okay, your activities are going to help you to get a car, and because Krishna has said like this, okay, I'll get the car. Just imagine you did not get the car. Aha, Krishna cheated. Krishna cheated. I did devotional service to me, but he did not get the car to me. What you will do? You will leave Krishna. You will go to other god, isn't it? How Krishna will come to know you are his friend? Isn't it? You should prove. Yeah, if everyone comes to your friend's birthday party, all are giving gift and you don't give gift, will your friend accept? Oh, how cheap, she did not give me gift. It's not about the gift. It's not about your friend getting the gift. The love which you are showing, all are showing, these people are only getting me something, and she's my close friend, she's not getting me anything. Yeah, so what, they'll get angry, they will block you, right? They will block you, and you should go say sorry, and once you please them, then they say okay, come. So they're testing you whether you will come back or not. Then why Krishna should not do it? because every second we have a chance to get disturbed and go back to the material attraction. Then why is it wrong if Krishna tests us whether we are really completely situated in Krishna consciousness? What is wrong? So if you hold yourself strong and stand straight in all this testing time, for sure, what are you going to get? Krishna himself, right? So that much you need to work hard. You should put your heart, your love, your dedication, everything to Krishna. Yeah. Shiv Prabhuji, how to overcome from laziness? Prabhuji, how to overcome from laziness? Very simple. Do your work. In your home, you finish studying, you went to college, you attend the classes, you're free, you're lazy enough, don't worry. Go to mama, help mama in the kitchen. Papa is doing something, work, help papa. Because if you're serving them, you're serving Krishna. Nothing happens, help your neighbors. That is also not possible, help your friends. Nothing is possible. Prabhuji, please read Bhagavad Gita. Where is the time? Really, I don't have time to feel lazy also. I don't have time to feel lazy. I'm completely occupied. I'm completely occupied. Once, whenever the Saturday comes, I was feeling like, let me sleep for some time. But still, I'm totally occupied. There is no time for laziness. Morning we'll read Bhagavatam, then I do my materialistic work, that I'll go for my job, then cooking, then washing, etc., etc. Then evening Bhagavad Gita, then I should do 2 hours of my chanting, then I take class for you, then I should sleep because tomorrow morning I should get up at 3 o'clock. There is no time at all for laziness. So similarly, you make your life completely occupied like this. Okay, if you leave your mind idle, for sure laziness will come. So there is no time. There is no time for us. If you read Bhagavad Gita in detail, every shloka, whatever is in the purport, you need at least 1 year to finish Bhagavad Gita. Please read Bhagavad Gita. I'll see how you will have time to go for laziness. It's not at all there, Prabhuji. It's only thing is you're hesitating to do your duty. So if you're hesitating to perform your activities, then you will surely go for laziness. So how to overcome? Like this. Pritam Prabhuji. If we do activities which may not seem devotional, for example, me watching TV, can I make this a devotional service? Yes, Prabhuji. If you are seeing something, actually watching TV is making us lazy, because from watching TV, you should learn something, you should gain something. For example, if you see someone while doing completely adharma, by seeing that, you should learn that I should not do adharma. If I do like that, I'll become like this person. Okay, so if you see someone preaching Bhagavad Gita in the TV, what are you doing? You're gaining knowledge. So watching TV also can become a devotional service. You're seeing my classes here. You might see my class after that in YouTube. So watching TV also became devotional service. So when you offer water to Krishna, it will become tirtha. When you offer food to Krishna, it will become prasada. Yeah, when you offer a simple flower or a leaf to Krishna, that also will become the divine prasadam. Similarly, whatever you see, whatever you have in your material life, use it for the service of Krishna, everything will become divine. Okay, so that is how we can make it devotional, Prabhuji. Meghana Mataji, I think you missed the class. You missed the class for chapter number 7 and 8. How to control our mind. We discussed Dhyana Yoga. So there Krishna clearly mentioned it is very difficult to handle, but by doing practice, abhyasa, by doing practice, we can control our mind. How? By gaining knowledge, by eating the food offered to Krishna, yeah, by doing our duty sincerely. All these things were discussed, Mataji. Kindly check out the video. Hare Krishna. Riya Mataji, wonderful. Today I went to ISKCON Delhi and did one mala chanting. Very good, Mataji, very good. The Mataji there said that by doing this, you have already, at least fixed that you will not get a body of lower species in the next life. Is that really so? Yes, Mataji, I already said you. Getting the human birth is very, very difficult. You are getting a human body means you have done too much of good deeds. So then only you get the human body. After getting 84 types of lakhs of species, one among them, and the best is human life. And when you get it, when you start doing devotional service, Krishna said it in Bhagavad Gita already. Arjuna asked that question, what if the yogis could not finish their yoga. They stopped it in between. It was unfinished. What will happen? So Krishna said they will enjoy in the pious planets, then they come down, they take birth in the rich family or in the family of devotees. Means if you start a devotional service, for sure next life you will get the human body. You will get a chance to complete your devotional service. Like how Ajamila, he was a Brahmana, but because of his sinful activities, he had completely lost. But he was given a chance to perform a devotional service again. Same way, the Indraduma Maharaja, he was cursed. So what happened? He was born as an elephant. And because he remembered the Lord's name and it did the prayers, what happened? The Gajendra, he was relieved by that and he was given a human life again. Okay, there are many things like that. Even Bharata Maharaj, when he was born as a deer, because he did devotional service in his previous life, before getting attracted to the deer, what happened? He got that merits by taking birth as a deer, and he was in the ashram where the great yogis were there. So because he was with them and he heard about Krishna, he heard whatever the yogis were telling, he was delivered. So like this, the chance will be given for us to perform our devotional service. So it's fixed, Mataji. Little devotion. Krishna said, Alpa Seva, little is enough. We all will be given opportunity. Once you step your leg inside the path of devotional service, just to one step, enough. Krishna will never leave you to go back. Even you go back, he'll bring us back there. Okay, that's for sure, Mataji. Shiva Prabhuji also teach me science. I am a chemical engineer, so if you want, I'll teach chemical engineering, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Pritam Prabhu, is every demigod a manifestation of Krishna? Yes, yes. We have expansion, we have avatars, all the details are there in Bhagavatam and Brahma Samhita, Prabhuji. Please attend the Bhagavatam classes or read yourself, you can get the entire knowledge. Mohar Mataji, breaking tulsi leaf at 12 noon is wrong or right? Yes, Mataji, there are some times where you are not supposed to take the Tulsi Maharani's leaves for the worship. You should do it early in the morning, and on Ekadashi is also early in the morning you should do, not in the evening or the afternoon. And also on Dwadashi day, we are not going to pluck the Tulsi Maharani because she also will be fasting and she will be tired on Dwadashi day. So there are some restrictions for taking the leaf from Tulsi Maharani for the service of Krishna. Mataji, when can I break fast tomorrow and how? I am from Kolkata. Mataji, I will send you the time. I think I already have it. I'll send the time for you all in the WhatsApp group, depending upon which city you are. Kindly break your fast. So tomorrow morning, get up. Actually, most of them should be awake throughout night, today's night. If possible, you do it. If not, no worries, Mataji. You can sleep, get up early morning and take bath, and at that prana time, inside between that prana time, for example, if it is 10 o'clock to 10:40, at 10 o'clock you stand in front of Lord, you prepare food, whatever you want to offer to the Lord, okay, and you offer to the Lord, and after you offer it, you pray to the Lord that I have done the Ekadashi Vrat, please accept it. Okay, please accept it. After saying that, take that prasadam, okay, and give it to any of the brahmanas or any of your family and friends, okay, anyone, or you can give it to the cow or anyone. Little first you should serve them if possible. No one is there, it is not possible, then don't worry, Mataji, you only eat it. Okay, so be very, very careful. You should eat your breakfast, the prana time only. You should break your fast. You should eat grain food only. Okay, you should eat the grain food made up of grain. You should prepare the food, eat it. Okay, so the timing I'll send to you. Hare Krishna, Shiv Prabhuji, by all means, but I prefer to tell you Bhagavad Gita only because chemical engineering anyone can tell you, but Bhagavad Gita, I wish to share the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita more than anything else. Hare Krishna. So we have finished today's questions. So we finished this beautiful chapter of Bhakti Yoga, that is Jnana. What is that Jnana? It is the secret of secret, the most confidential knowledge. So tomorrow we are going to the 10th chapter. The opulence of the absolute, the opulence of the Absolute. So we will understand again Krishna in detail. In detail. Okay, Krishna is going to further explain. The secret is still going on. He's going to tell all the details. Whatever doubt you have on Krishna, who is he, where these demigods came from, where these people came, where are those Saptarishis, the sages, all this, etc., things, everyone, from where they are coming, who is first, who is later, everything Krishna is going to tell us in tomorrow's chapter. Okay, so please wait for it. So we will all meet tomorrow. Showed the Vishwa Virata Rupa Swarupa very soon, Mataji. Chapter 11, almost coming. So we are knowing what Krishna is. Krishna is describing all these things, and at the 11th chapter, Arjuna will request Krishna. You said all these things, Krishna, that you are this, you are that. Just want to know, like, want to see how is that your form, how is that your form. I want to check. So then the universal form will be shown to him. That is the chapter number 11. Just one chapter tomorrow. Then you will surely see the universal form of Lord. Okay. Hare Krishna. Oh, Meghana Mataji has raised hand. Yes, Meghana Mataji.
Yes, I just wanted to ask that should we offer only grain food while breaking the fast? And ideally, should we like not sleep the entire night?
No, Mataji. Usually, there are devotees who do that. They be awake throughout the night. If it is possible for you, you do it. If not, no problem, Mataji. Okay. If you're fasting and chanting, that is more than sufficient. But it is not a restriction. If you're willing to do, you can do it. Okay.
Yeah, so should we break the fast only with grain food by offering grain food only to God?
No, what have you, how did you do the fasting today, Mataji?
Oh, I haven't had water also, like, but I offered fruits and leaves to God.
No problem. Very good. Tomorrow morning at that prana time, first you have the water, okay? Break the fast. Later on, you cook food, normal food, however. If you cannot offer to Krishna, then it's okay. At least rice you can offer to Krishna Mataji, or milk you can offer, and you can consume the milk only. Because you did Nirjala, no? You can take milk also, Mataji. That is fine.
Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Shiv Prabhuji, you should know about Krishna. Why are you knowing about me? Okay, I am nothing. Okay, by knowing me, you will not get anything. Anyways, I work for 8 hours. That is the usual office time of all of us, right? I work for 8 hours. My work is for 8 hours. Yes, Mataji, as I already said, you should pluck the Tulsi Maharani in the morning, and before plucking the Tulsi Maharani, you should wash your hand because she's sacred. And after washing your hand, you need to pluck the Tulsi Maharani. How you know? You should not bend it. Okay, I don't know. I have a pin, so you should not use your fingers. You should not use your fingers and cut her. Like this. Not scissors and all. So what we should do, you should use the soft part of your finger and bend slowly. So before doing that, you should pray her, Tulsi Maharani, I'm taking you for service of Krishna. Okay, tell her, then you pluck it. So this is how, because she is not as such any normal plant. She is the sacred of sacred plants. So you need to pray for her, then pluck it. And you should not pluck the tulsi leaves in the evening after 6 o'clock. Usually we don't do it. We collect everything and keep it with us. Even if you have a dried tulsi leaf, that also you can offer to Krishna. But once you offer to the Krishna, you can eat it, you can consume it. Okay. So if you don't have any leaves, if you have a dried leaf of tulsi, that also you can offer. That is also sacred part. And as I said you, on Ekadashi's early morning, please pluck the Tulsi Maharani. Don't pluck her throughout the day because she will also be fasting like us. So on Dwadashi day, we don't pluck her because she will be tired. We don't disturb her. So previous day only, we will collect sufficient amount of Tulsi leaves for next day puja also. So this is how we will do Mataji. Okay. So please take care of her because she's the greatest devotee of the Lord. Okay, Mahar Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shiv Prabhuji, don't cut with our teeth. There are some things like, there is some Yeah, they say that some chemical is there that will spoil your teeth. There are something, but whatever we offer to Krishna, that too, especially Tulsi Maharani, it is the prasadam only, right? So we will put it in the water also. We'll put it in all the dishes which we offer. I showed you the picture, so we will eat it like that only. So whatever Tulsi Maharani we kept at the lotus feet of Krishna, also we will eat it. We'll consume it. So the prasadam, we'll just take it. Yes, 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 Ashutosh Prabhuji. So you are not eating so much, one leaf, two leaves. So it is not a big problem, Prabhuji. I hope so. Yes. So this is about Tulsi Maharani. So any more questions? I'm done with all the questions. Yes. Yes, 100%, 100%. Thank you so much, Ashutosh Prabhuji. Yeah, that is the reason. So you can have one tulsi leaf with food and drink water. Nothing will happen. Okay. Yeah, we are eating so many poisonous foods already. You are eating so much of junk foods, which is creating all oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide in our body. Tulsi Maharani is sacred of sacred. You should not be worried about her. And you're not eating the entire plant. You're eating just one leaf or two leaves maximum. So you should not be worried. Yeah, you should not be worried about it. If you are consuming it in large amount, yes, for sure. So when you are having all the carbonated drinks, yeah, you are drinking carbon dioxide only, right? So there are many things which you are already consuming. But if you compare to that, Tulsi Maharani is not at all. She is blessed when we offer that to Krishna and we are consuming her. So need not worry about it. Please have it. Okay, please have it. Yes, so I'm done with the questions. So we will all meet tomorrow for the 10th chapter. So we will understand further more about Krishna and eagerly wait for Krishna's Vishwarupam. Okay, because Krishna, whatever he tells, he does that only. Whatever he does, he says that only. He is my superhero. Why? Because he is never, ever, he has gone in the wrong path. That is why Krishna is called as infallible. He is called as Achyuta. That is a favorite name of Krishna of mine, Achyuta. You can see anything wrong in anyone, but Krishna is complete. He'll never go wrong. So whatever he preaches, he does that only. His actions are same. So we will see tomorrow what Krishna is going to tell about him even more. And day after tomorrow, we can see it also. He'll prove it by showing whatever he said to Arjuna. So that is why Krishna is called as Jagat Guru. So eagerly waiting to know about Krishna even more tomorrow and share it with all of you. So telling that I will... Mahar Mataji, Purnima, Tulsi Maharani is not. Yes, Mataji, some places they don't pluck it on Sunday also, Mataji. There are some reasons, they have some rituals and all. But if you're taking it for Krishna's service, then it's not an issue, Mataji. You're taking for Tulsi Maharani for Krishna's service, she will be very much pleased. Okay, so that is the thing. Yeah, there are, as you said, yes, there is that kind of condition. They don't pluck it on Purnima day. They don't pluck it on Amavasya. They don't pluck it on Sunday sometimes. There are many things, Mataji. So when you're plucking Tulsi Maharani, you're telling her, I'm taking you for the Krishna service. So she will be pleased, Mataji. Yes, Shiv Prabhuji, you can chant Krishna's 108 times also, not 8 names also. And with that, you can chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra also. Just absorb yourself in Krishna throughout the day. Okay? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yes, I think questions are done. Yeah. So thank you so much. Pancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhu bhaya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Shri Krishna arpanamastu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.